Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik, and in today's video, we'll do the chapter lines and angles. You know that we have done it uh, previously also, but we will do it once again. Okay, so we will do the questions which are like very frequently coming in exams. Okay, this is the round in which we will just do only and only meaning direct answers, not the solution. Okay, I believe that you would understand it. See, firstly, x plus x plus 10, x and x plus 10 is 130. Okay, it has been given. We know exterior angle property, this plus this equals to this, so we can write x plus 10 equal to 130. 2x equal to 120, because 10 will go that side and will get subtracted from 130. X equal to 60 degree. So x plus 10 will be 70 degree. Okay, we have got our answer. Now let's come to our next question. It is 36 plus 2x equals to 5x. It can be written no, because exterior angle property. 36 equal to 3x. 36 upon 3x equal to 12 degree. Okay, we have got our answer. So this angle will be 24 degree, this angle will be 60 degree. Okay, now our next question. Sorry. See, it is saying that yes, this is equilateral triangle. Okay, this one, and this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, we have to find x, y, and z. Firstly, we will find x. See, this is 60 degree. This will also be 60, and this one will be 60 degree. Okay, why? Because it is an equilateral triangle. This is 60, so by linear pair it will be 120 degree. Okay, because these both sum will be 180 degree, so x equal to 120. And if it is 120, we know that equal sides have equal angle opposite to them. So this will be y. This angle will be y, and this will also be y. Okay. So so we will write. Oh, one more thing. This plus this will be this. So these both are y. So it will, half of it will be y. So y will be 30 degree. Okay. And 60 plus y equal to z, because this one we have to find. So this plus this will be this, meaning 60 plus y, 60 plus 30, y is 30, so z equal to 90 degree, y equal to 30 degree, x equal to 120 degree. Okay, so now this was a difficult question, I know. This and this question. See, if you see this bigger triangle, so this is 66 and this will also be 66 degree. Why? Because this is an isosceles triangle, so equal sides have equal angle opposite to them. Okay. Do we have to find anything else? Num 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 num. Yes, we have to find. No, only this much we have to find. Okay. So 66 degree. What will it be? It will be 102 degree. Why 102? Because if you see carefully, so this is becoming a linear pair. 180 minus 78 is 102. Okay. So 102 plus 66 will be x. 180 minus 102 plus 66 degree. equals to x. Okay, so 102 plus 66, it is 168 degree. Okay, so what will this be? This will be 12 degree, because angle some property of a triangle. Now next question I will write. I believe that you have understood this. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, our next question. So friends, in our next question, these are the most important, meaning the most important, most wanted the questions. Okay, so you have to listen it carefully. So let's start. See, you might think it is a difficult question, but see this. This angle will be 35 degree. Why? Because it is forming vertically opposite angle. Okay, now this is 35, we have got it, and this is 110. So by linear pair we can find out this will be 70 degree. Now to find x plus 35 plus 70, 35 plus 70, it is 105 equal to 180. So 75, oh wait, x equal to 75 degree. Okay, we have found out this will be 75, and now we will do this one. Okay, so 30 plus 34, what it is? 30 plus 34 is 64. So this will be 64 degree. Why? Exterior angle property. And 64 plus 45, what is it? 64 plus 45, it is 109 degree. So x equal to 109 degree. Why 109? Again exterior angle property. Okay, now our most important question, world's most wanted. Okay, so it is you might believe it is confusing, but see this carefully. This is 50 degree, this is 90 degree. 50 plus 90, it is 140 degree. So 180 minus 140, it is 40 degree. Okay, now this is 40, then this will be 40 degree. And wait, one more angle might be given. No angle is given. No, it is given. Yes, it is given. This angle is 20 degree. It is given. Okay, so this is 20, this is 40. So x will be 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree by exterior angle property. So friends, I think that you might have understood this, and if you like this video, so please watch our other videos also. Okay friends, bye bye, see you in the next class.